Okay, so hello sir.
Hi, sir.
We are from Apple Community College and we are here to interview you about peace education in the classroom. Sir, can you tell us how many years have you worked as peace educator?
Almost 11 years in
Wow.
Department of Education.
Okay po sir. So, I have here a 10 questions sir to answer. So, first question sir kay.
So, sir, how do you define peace education?
Peace education for me is something that promotes unity, harmonious relationship inside and outside the classroom.
Mm,
Question number 2 sir is, what are some challenges you have faced in this journey?
There's so many challenges, but I have one example that a learner has a knife and he attempted to hit me with a knife because he's a member of a gang. So I did understand that situation. So I did not stop that person, but his friends stopped him. But I understood that because of the culture shock from province, from city, magid siya, Cagayan de Oro.
Okay po.
He's a gang member. So until now, he's a good student of mine.
Okay.
We managed to be okay naman.
Okay, ala, grabe ka ko.
Yes.
Can you share some example of how you integrate peace education in the classroom po, sir?
Maybe behavioral check.
Yes po.
It is advisable in lower grades, but in the first part of higher grades, you can use the behavioral check where you put some, for example, nest, and you put eggs. The more eggs, the more behaved that group is.
Okay.
Yes.
po, sir.
so, sir, what strategies do you use to teach students about conflict resolution within the classroom?
Okay, conflict resolution strategies. Okay, for me, sometimes I do let them discovery approach for them to realize how to solve a problem. But in a way, I also give some hints for them to solve such problem.
Okay po. So, number 5 question, sir. What motivates you to prioritize peace education in your work?
Definitely, it is the first priority among all because there's no unity. The learners will not listen if there's no peace inside the classroom. So it's always been the first part of the what you call this motivational
Rules.
start. The motivation we should establish the peace, unity, and then the lesson will follow.
Unsay tawagan na ay tawagan na sir, di ba, before
The
motivation?
house rules.
House
We
rules.
need to establish house rules, and peace education is number 1.
Yes po. Number 6.
So, sir, how do you engage students who might not be easily to convince to the peace education?
I have this style. I let the parent come because of the new style of disciplining now that we cannot use our hands to the learners.
No.
So I let the parent come and the child, the parent, and I will solve the problem.
Okay. So, number 8 po, sir, is do you involve their parents in peace education process?
Yes, exactly.
How important it is to involve parents? So, nato siya.
I do reality check. I let the parents sometimes punish their children in front of me for them to realize that I cannot punish you, but your parent can punish you.
Yes.
So by that, they will be scared because I will call their parent and the parent will bunal them here. Yes. Many times, almost 4 years and it's effective. The child will behave.
Okay, sir, how do you gather or incorporate feedback from your students to improve your peace education practices?
How do I gather corporate feedback from students to improve your PC? There's an evaluation that I have this reflection. I do reflections. I let them have 10 sentences, 1 paragraph. So they will share their thoughts there. So sometimes peace education will be included. So I will let them, how did you learn this? Do you like this? Or sometimes after the vacation, what are your experiences?
Yes.
Mm.
Effective siya. So, number 10 po, sir, last number po is, what are your future goals or aspiration for the development of peace education in your teaching practice?
Basically, I am a Boy Scout coordinator.
Yes,
So, number one role in Boy Scout is peace, unity, so camaraderie. It's always been our aim to promote peace education because peace education is just not in the four corners of our classroom, but it can be applied in the community.
Yes, thank you po, sir.
Welcome!
So, thank you kayo, sir,
Thank
sa
you, sir.
inyong
Thank
cooperation
you.
and hope na ang imuhang class is or ma-share nimo sa tanan ang imuhang pagka-good teacher po.
Lagi. Thank you po and good luck,
Yes.
future teachers.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.